Once upon a time, in a beautiful village by a river, lived a little boy named Ahmed with his mother. Ahmed loved to play by the riverbank. One day, while playing near the river, he noticed something shining in the water. Ahmed bent down and found a beautiful pearl. He picked it up and took it home. His mother said, "Ahmed, this pearl looks very special. Take good care of it." That night, while Ahmed was sleeping, he had a dream. A beautiful fairy appeared in his dream and said, "Ahmed, the pearl you found is magical. It holds great power." Ahmed asked in astonishment, "How is this pearl magical?" The fairy smiled and replied, "This pearl can fulfill any wish you make, but remember, you must use its power for good deeds." The next morning, Ahmed told his mother about the dream. His mother said, "Ahmed, if this pearl is truly magical, we should use it to help others." Ahmed decided to use the pearl to help the people in the village. First, he wished for his mother's sick friend to get well, and with the pearl's magic, she recovered quickly. Then Ahmed wished for homes for the homeless in the village, and soon everyone had a place to live. Together, Ahmed and his mother created an atmosphere of happiness and love in the village. The villagers loved Ahmed and praised his good deeds. Finally, Ahmed realized that true happiness lies in helping others. He and his mother returned the magical pearl to the river, hoping it would help someone else in need. And so, Ahmed lived his life filled with kindness and love, and the secret of the magical river remained safe forever. Morale: true happiness comes from helping others, and doing good deeds brings peace and joy to life.